Hey, I'm Elliot, and this is the Everything Elliot YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to like and subscribe below. So you've got a portable generator, and you want to change the oil in it. We're going to take you through the steps on how to do that quickly and efficiently. Here I have a Generac generator. However, this process is going to be the same for most generators, as they are just about all the same design. This is your oil fill. Let's see if I can get it off. Your oil fill, that's where you're going to put all your oil in, and then check it in the end. This is pretty dirty, so put that back on there. And then this is your oil drain right here. Some machines are going to have it right on the same side. Some have it on both sides. Some might have it on the back, but it's always going to be on the bottom of the motor. All right. So the first step you're going to take is you're going to take the generator, you want to start it, let it run for approximately 5 minutes. That lets the oil warm up. So we're going to go ahead and start this and let it run for a while. All right, now that the machine has run for a while, we're going to take it, put it up on blocks to get it up off the ground a little bit. That way we can get an oil drain pan underneath it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a 12mm socket, put it on this nut right here, and loosen it. Now if you've ran this for a couple minutes, just be careful, that oil is going to be hot. Just let it drain out right into your oil pan. Alright, once the oil's finished draining, take that bolt, reinstall it. This doesn't need to be super tight, just snug it up. Now this is where you're going to put your oil in. This has a little dipstick on it. As you can see, we're just going to fill it up to halfway. So I'll go grab the oil and we'll put it in there. Fail. To check your oil level, take this dipstick, put it in there, tighten it all the way down, and then pull it back out. And it comes right up to about the middle. I know it's tough to tell, but it comes right up about to the middle. That's perfect amount of oil for us. Tighten that back up. And that's it. Well, thanks for watching today's video, guys. I hope this answered all your questions about changing the oil in your portable generator. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks, and have a great day.